Hello and welcome into the 3D. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a project in GDevelop and I will explain all the settings. First thing first, launch the software. On the left side, click on Build and on the right side, you will see an option called Create a new project. Click on that and let me explain the settings on this new panel. The first option is the project name. You can either generate random name or you can just type your custom project name inside this box. Second option is where to store this project. So basically you can store it on your computer or you can store it inside the cloud system of GDevelop. Since this software can be used from browser, I would recommend you to store your files in the cloud system. Next option is resolution preset. If you are making a mobile portrait game, use the first option. If you are making mobile or desktop landscape game with low resolution, use the second option. Or if you are making full HD desktop game, use the third option. After this, we have two options left. First one is the optimize for pixel art. So if you are making a 2D pixel art game, enable this option, but if you are not, just keep it disabled. The last option is the allow player authenticate in the game. Basically, GDevelop provides built-in solution to display a registered login form in your game. So if you want to create a leaderboard system, store the player progress or greet the users, you can keep the settings enabled. After all these settings, click on the Create Project button, wait 5 seconds, and your project should be created. So that was it for this tutorial. If you want to see more GDevelop tutorials on this channel, please comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Once again, thanks for watching. I see you guys next time.